My name is Ruth. I'm from Korea. I came to Australia 2 years ago and through Onson College study tour program. I decided to stay and study English at Onson College because teachers and students are nice and kind to me. Teachers listen to me my English and they are trying to help me and understand me. I finish high school this year and I will study counseling next year. I want to help people and understand them.